Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I did a wreck and spin paint pouring piece yesterday. It is all dry to the touch. It's a little heavy on the back, but not too much. And look, turned out great. But look at that. It just got all weird right there. They were really pretty cells when it was wet. And then these just popped up as it was drying. So I'm going to try this again. But for this piece, I used too much paint. I had the black and white in the cup. And then I layered it with colors. And then I put black and white on top. And you have to remember, yeah, first in is the last out. So this was the last out. Used too much paint, so it just exploded out everywhere. So let's try it again with less paint and more color. And gonna get, let's take these off because these are part of my drying rack. And putting this on 8 by 10 inch canvas. And to prevent me from using too much paint, I'm going to use a cup. And then if I need more paint, I'll fill more back up here and here. I have my black paint, which I'm just going to put a tiny bit. Just enough to fill the bottom. That's it. And let's try some metallic purple. Oof. And these paints are thicker by the day. And pink. And red. I don't have any white. I used all my white. And trying to think. I want a little blue. Dark blue for that. And purple. Oh. My purple may be coming to an end. That's gonna have enough air bubbles in it. Pink. I'm trying to keep this on the cooler tones with a little heat with the red, but it's a deep metallic red, so it'll be just fine. And this is my cell activator that I mixed with my Amsterdam pouring medium. Don't really need it as a cell activator, but I like that it's a different consistency and different pouring medium than the others. All the others were the Australian Floetrol. And I'm not going to put a base down yet. I'm just going to start pouring. And see, it ran right down the side. Got to be careful when you fill things too high. Let me just pour some of this out. Okay, there we go. Now, let's try to get this going. Spin and pour. There we go. Got the black out. That'll be our base. Okay. Spinning it quicker so I get more even circles. Hopefully the dark part of this has been released. The purple and all this kind of got lost, but that's okay. That's just what happens when you use the black. I'm just trying to clean up my circle in here in the middle. And this thing is off of balance, I can tell. But, you know, that's okay. Let's get some of this black over here. gonna have to balance things out. Now, need a paper towel and my palette knife. I'm gonna take this in the middle and swipe out. This is my wrecking. My wrecking portion. Ta-da! Zoom. Isn't that a fun sound? Zoom. Okay, and I'm just cleaning that off as I go. Now I'm going to start in the center and turn, spin. Okay, cool, huh? Look at that center to begin with. That's how we're starting. Ready? Let me just make sure. Yep, clearance. Okay, let's go. Hopefully the edges and corners have been covered. It's probably done now, but I'm gonna just let it keep going. I don't see too much paint coming off, but that motion will still help push it all out. OMG. OMG. What do you think? I'm thinking I just need to touch up this edges real quick. And OMG. Talk about love. This is such great therapy, especially after a long, long day. And there's really not too much paint on it. Look, it's not moving. Look at that. OMG. Love, 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 love. A wreck and spin. So, I'm just going to wipe my hand on the bottom because there's some white spaces here. Just don't want them shown. Just double check the work. Love, love, love. Now this is going to dry dark. I already know that. So I will make a recap video when it's dry. And then a couple weeks down the line, we will spray it and seal it. And since I did not use silicone on this one, maybe I will put resin on it. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to let this dry overnight. I don't have a lot of time for painting today, but I had enough to have some painting fun. So thank you for joining with me with this. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.